Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll determine the equation of the tangent to these trigonometry functions at the given x coordinates. So let's start with the first function. So f at x equals cosine of 4x at x equals pi over 4. So we have to find the equation of the tangent. And we know that the general equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus b. So we have to find the value of m and b for this tangent. So m represents the slope and b represents the y-intercept. Now the slope of the tangent can be found from the first derivative of the given function. So we have to find the derivative of cos of 4x. So we have to use chain rule because there is this outer function cosine function and the inner function is the polynomial function 4x. So as per chain rule, we start with the derivative of the outer function, which is the cos function, and the derivative of cos is minus sine. Times the derivative of the inner function, and the derivative of the inner function 4x is 4 times 1. So 4 is the coefficient of the term, so it stays as it is, and the derivative of x is 1. Now we can simplify this expression. So 4 times 1 is 4, so it becomes. Now we can sub in x as pi over 4 to find the slope of the tangent. So 4 and 4 in the denominator cancel each other out. So we get and we know that sine of pi is equal to 0. Which is equal to 0. So that means the slope of this tangent is 0. Now we can sub in the m value in the equation. So 0 times x is 0. So we just get y equals b. Now we have to find the b value for this tangent. And for that, we should sub in a point that lies on this tangent. Now we are finding the equation of the tangent at the point for which x is equal to pi over 4. So we can find the function value or the y value for this x value by subbing in pi over 4 in the given function. So the 4's in the cos function will cancel each other out. So we get cos pi. And cos of pi is equal to -1. So the point is pi over 4 -1. So we can sub in y as -1 in the equation of the tangent to find the b value, because this point that lies on the function also lies on the tangent because the tangent touches the function at this point. So the b value is -1. So that means the equation of the tangent is this should be the final answer for the first function. Now we can analyze the second function. F at x equals sine 2x plus cos x, and x is given as pi over 2. So we'll start with the general equation of a straight line. So we can find the slope of the tangent by finding the derivative of this function and subbing in x as pi over 2 in the derivative. So the first term is sine 2x. So we have to use chain rule. So the derivative of the outer function sine is cos times the derivative of the inner function 2x, and the derivative will be 2 times 1 plus the derivative of cos x will be minus sine x. Now we can simplify this expression. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times cos 2x will be 2 cos 2x, and then minus sine x. Now we can sub in x as pi over 2. Now in the cos term, the 2's will cancel each other out. So we are left with cos pi, and then sine of pi over 2 is equal to 1. Now cos pi is equal to -1. So 2 times -1 is -2. So the m value is -3. So that's the slope of the tangent, and we can sub in this m value in the general equation. Now we have to find its b value. So for that, we'll have to find a point that lies on this tangent. So we can find the point that lies on this function at x equals pi over 2, and that point will also lie on this tangent because the tangent touches the function at that point. So we'll sub in x equals pi over 2 in the given function. Now in the sine term, the 2's will cancel each other out, and cos of pi over 2 is equal to 0. And sine of pi is equal to 0. So the point is, so now we can sub in this point in the equation of the tangent to find the b value. So we'll sub in x as pi over 2 and y as 0. So negative 3 times pi over 2 will be negative 3 pi over 2 because the denominator of 3 is 1, and when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerator terms and the denominator terms. And now we can move 3 pi over 2 to the left side. So the negative 3 pi over 2 will become positive 3 pi over 2. So this is the b value for the tangent, and now we can sub in this b value in the equation to find the equation of the tangent. So this should be the final answer for the equation of the tangent in slope-intercept form. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.